Okay, what telah happen guys? It's your boy Andy,
Miko and Oizan.
Okay, so kita dari Cetak lah, and today kita ada segmen cerita seram lah. Tapi kita bikin night walk.
Let's bring it live.
Yeah, we do it live. Okay, so kita punya night walk is kita sekarang kita try just easy peasy punya night walk dekat rail corridor. Okay, tapi kita semua dah tahu yang rail corridor ni dia actually dah refurbished. You know, dah renovated, dah lawa, dah cantik. Tapi ada lagi yang cerita seram-seram, yang legendnya yang kita tak tahu.
The urban legends.
The urban legends. Okay,
Kita akan cerita lebih lah kan.
yes, okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, so apa yang legend story kat sini, salah satunya is diorang cakap ada faceless boy. Alright, this faceless boy diorang nampak dekat tunnel ni. Okay, kat tunnel sini. So kenapa diorang panggil faceless boy is because the boy is playing or trespass dekat Bukit Timah Matrix lah pada waktu malam. Okay, so he was caught off guard and struck by the passing KTM train. So diorang semua cakap yang dia punya muka tu terkena train tu. Hence faceless boy. Yes. So the faceless boy before the rail corridor close lah tahun 2011. Okay, in the year of 2011 ada several of tragic accident happen kat sini. But then one of them diorang kata is faceless boy ada nampak kat sini. This tunnel. Alright? So this tunnel lah faceless boy. So yeah, so ada lagi banyak cerita kita akan ceritakan lah.
Kita will bring you along so
Correct.
you can visualize.
Yes, so kita sambil jalan, kita sambil ceritakan lah. So yes, right. Okay, to be honest, bila kita nak jalan ni, to be honest, aku lemah semangat. Aku senang terkejut.
Aku takut binatang. Anjing, lagi-lagi anjing.
Yes. Okay, so firstly kita akan night walk masuk dalam daripada sini railway pergi kat King Albert lah. Tapi King Albert tak tahu kita akan pergi ke tak, but kita akan stop dekat yang bridge nak pergi Singapore Quarry. So kita akan stay kat sana. Kita tak akan stay sini. Pasal sini ramai orang, ada kereta semua.
Tak seram.
So tak seram sangat lah.
Kena kasih you all the 4D experience.
Correct.
4D experience.
So we gonna say sorry to the faceless boy yang kita tak dapat stay sini. Okay, so kita akan masuk ke dalam and kita akan try to stay there. Alright? Ciao.
Kat sini the reported case kan where 2 students died actually along these tracks.
Oh, is it the Polytechnic student?
That one not sure, but
Okay.
the case back then in 2009.
2009.
So these are the tracks. I think this is the presumably the tracks here that they died.
Okay.
So that's one of the case. But other than that, I think there's like macam ada sighting kat sini along this path where you will see someone here at a certain timing. Yes. So I don't know, but we shall see.
We shall see Okay, so kita sekarang dah masuk to this area.
Bro.
Okay, mana storytelling dia?
Tak, aku nak tengok ada depan. So, storytelling dia short and simple lah Pasal dia ada real history
Okay.
as an railway station in Singapore.
Okay.
It's also macam banyak ghost stories kat sini lah, sighting semua. So, kalau nak simple history, first appeared on the Singapore Kranji Railway in 1983. Kita belum lagi born lah at that time. Then lepas tu dia rebuild in 1932. Macam newer main line. Sorry guys, aku tak nampak. Apa lah, just fokus situ dia. Tapi orang kata asal tempat ni macam rasa a certain vibe kan, it's because of the history back then. Macam ada orang mati, yang ada orang gini, ada orang gitu. So they believe that the spirits still lingers here lingers around the area lah. So like the stories yang ada macam ada group of macam podcast semua, yang ada group paranormal semua ada pergi sini. So I can only see the sign there only, that's all. So they been here, yang ada buat apa, yang ada duduk kat sini berbual-bual. So yeah, you are expected something, don't know.
So diorang akan duduk sini lah.
Yeah, diorang akan duduk sini, they will tell, they will share the histories lah. They will share more detail. But for now, we are the quick summary lah.
Okay, sini diorang cakap Ranger keep out. Kita memang cari naas. So now basically kita dah split lah into our groups. So kita akan masuk dulu. Kita akan masuk dulu and kita akan stay there for like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Macam mana?
Okay juga lah.
Okay,
Okay.
around that
1
timing
hour.
lah. Okay, so yeah, get moving. Careful lah, ada banyak locks. Nampak ada bed. Okay, so usually this is the place that a chill that go through untuk pergi mana ni? Singapore Quarry lah,
Yes, correct.
kan? Sebab when we reach to the end here, it's actually a roadside tau.
Sini the roadside of it.
Yeah. So it's a roadside from that side to that side. So the top part is kita pergi Singapore Quarry, betul?
Betul. I think the below part is you head back to the same place, I think.
If
I'm not wrong.
Yeah, if I'm not wrong lah. That side.
This is, I think, open area lah, so
Yeah. Yeah, it's very open actually.
it's very open. So guys, not to worry. It's very open. Fresh air. So kat depan lah.
Apa dah?
So kat depan situ ya, 10 minit. Because I think ada certain block
Yes.
There's a certain block to it. Because you cannot go in all the way straight.
Correct.
But it's peaceful to walk in the night. Tapi kalau untuk training
Untuk training apa?
atau apa, IPPT.
IPPT?
This rock.
Oh yeah.
Very good Lari, go back. Lari, go back. Apa macam fuck leg
Yeah. So macam mana ni? Okay, so how you feel jalan sini?
I think it's okay though.
It's okay lah
It's okay. For me lah. It's just like seeing the view.
Tu ada sign
This is a sign.
Oh yeah, it's a sign. Oh, it's to the car park.
Oh, I thought it's the. Or maybe they already re-changed the place.
Yeah. Okay, so kalau kita nak pergi Singapore Quarry is apa ni? Dah tutup lah, kan?
Betul.
Yeah,
I
so
think they. Singapore Quarry. But I think they should block
Apa?
I think they block.
They block, is it?
I don't know It's been a while since we come to this kind of place.
It's quite far,
200
250.
250 meter
Yeah. I think it's here lah. Yeah.
Sini lah
Yeah. How you feel? Okay. Mana the main entrance?
Ayo.
I think over there.
Yeah.
Oh, here. Oh, no. Should be there.
Tapi you do rasa tebas macam.
Yeah.
Yes. Because I remember we came from here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, kakak, you want go first?
Yes.
Okay.
Later we will be handing this thing to
Yes, to Zang's group.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Dah lama tak hiking. Aduh.
Oh, tak apa. Dah tua-tua ni. Hiking macam patah kaki.
Okay, mana orang pergi tadi? I don't remember the place looking like this last time.
Kan? Macam mana kita dulu Aduh. Sekejap. Aku tak nampak sebenarnya. Aku dah rabun.
Okay, so here's the road. Orang kata turn right kan tadi kan?
Right end, I think so.
Okay, turn
Right.
here
Where's the right?
and right here. So kita 3 orang sekarang. Asal blur.
Ayuh.
Okay. Sorry akan menggigil sikit. Tangan penat lah Bijang. Dah tua. Okay.
What was that? Confirm ada orang nampak kita. Ada lampu.
Surprisingly tak ada orang pula.
Aku semput sebenarnya. Dah lama tak hiking.
Apa tu?
Zano.
Apa? Asal?
Woodlands.
Woodlands?
Yes.
Okay.
Come. Ayo. Haiya.
Chill.
Halo. Ya, aku rasa aku pegang kamera.
Okay.
Kau ke belakang ya?
Okay.
Kita sekarang we has a whole team lah. We will go inside again once more, and we just want to feel again as a whole team lah. I think beginner lah. Kita I think most priority moment is the safety concern first.
Yeah.
So right now we are heading inside back, and we trying to. I think we try to stay there for maybe less than 10 minutes. It's a beginners timing, so other than that, then we will share how we feel to you guys, so you guys know roughly. But everyone has different experience lah, so you guys can try.
Asal sana.
Maybe there's not a tree.
Sini.
Wait, are you sure there's a tree?
That's right.
Asal.
It doesn't look like a tree.
That one. Jom, Nirul. Jom. Check out this area. Okay.
Jan. Wulan.
Okay.
Okay. I feel a bit woolen when I approach that side. I
Nak check dengan aku?
What is that?
Kau nak check dengan aku? Aku tak tahu apa benda.
No, I don't want.
Okay.
No.
Sekejap, Zan. I think we check again. We double confirm first.
It looks like a metal structure or something
it
like
looks
that,
like a
but
metal,
covered
but-
with leaf. Aku tahu. Everything looks green. Kau tukar white.
Tukar white. Tukar white.
No.
Just to confirm what's that.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't look like a tree to them. But I think this
I think maybe
a tree
the-
or maybe a, I don't know, rubbish bin or something. Pokok.
Kan?
Yeah.
Tapi for some reason I feel woolen towards that side. Pokok punya tu kan.
Dia punya terang.
Terang tu kan.
Cuma it's not covered kat bawah. Nampak ni kayu. Yang lain atas pun dah tutup dengan that's
the
why-
illusion lah.
Yeah, that's why nampak macam something over there.
Sikit je.
What's that?
Yeah, it's a tree.
It's a tree. Bulan apa? Bulan terang pula.
Bulan terang. Kau nak ulen kau.
Apa? Wood terang.
Oh, terang.
Ah.
Wah, so kita tak boleh nampak.
We cannot see anything in front though. Actually.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
black, pitch black. So I think this is a nice view, you know. You can admire. I think especially the sunset.
Yeah. I think the woolens ready ah.
Kalau bulan,
Why?
I can't see. What you do?
Yeah, there's a story about this place, right?
No. Singapore Glory
There's no such story lah.
Tak ada.
wait.
Maybe sighting lah.
Yeah.
Zan, kau bedok
Boleh lah tak boleh.
Boleh.
Tak ada.
Wulen.
Bulan.
Wulen.
Okay.
Okay, so I think
Posting for the
kita actually ada code word lah. Ada code word whereby kalau kita feeling uneasy, kita akan cakap woolens. Kalau kita hear some stuff,
Is bedok.
kita akan cakap bedok lah. Then if we see some sighting, kita akan cakap Yishun lah. Right? So tadi tu Mirul ada sighting sikit, ada Yishun sikit.
Yes, correct.
Alright?
I think the Yishun part is where kita nak U-turn balik. So kita U-turn balik, ingat tak yang kau pan camera to, I think you panning to left to right I think.
Aha.
So on my right, aku nampak macam ada like something like just dash through like that.
Okay.
Macam like pass through like very fast. But I think that one is like, maybe my eyes playing trick lah.
At the area where you checked out just now?
Tak, is the inside where
Deeper
dekat yang sign.
inside.
Dekat yang sign.
Oh, okay.
Yang kita cakap kita nak U-turn balik tu.
Yes.
So
Okay.
when we like proceeding back kan, that's where the thing happen.
Yeah.
Yishun.
Yeah, so for aku is aku bedok lah. Yeah, so aku bedok which is kita hear something. Okay. Actually ni bukan kita tak macam main-main tau. Kita just being natural, you know.
Yeah.
Nak tengok macam mana dia punya suasana, you know, dia punya environment macam mana. So yang mana orang cakap ini semua fake apa semua is actually dia tak fake lah. Pasal aku tak pernah Yishun. Aku tak pernah Yishun, aku tak pernah sighting. Aku cuma dengar-dengar je bedok. Aku cuma bedok je. Yeah, so actually can say nak cakap real tapi orang cakap nanti binatang. Nak cakap tak, nanti orang ingat kita riak sangat. Kalau
Tapi-
macam ni
Yeah.
mana-mandai je, you know.
Tapi the bedok part we both heard bedok also.
Yeah, bedok.
So
Actually semua lah, semua dengar bedok part lah. I don't know for Zan lah.
Zal maybe yes, maybe no lah.
Tadi adalah masa yang kita duduk tadi. Ya, 3 orang duduk.
You can
Dan
like
heard
on the
something
right
lah.
side kan.
Yes,
But-
correct.
Okay.
But we don't know if the camera captured or not lah.
Ya.
Yeah, so bila kita edit nanti kita akan we just observe lah, tengok ada beduk ke tak.
Ya.
Or even better if Yishun.
No lah,
Okay, kalau Yishun I think it's a bonus for us lah.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
bonus for us. I think that's about it lah.
Yeah,
Kat sini.
actually
I mean, we-
apa orang cakap is kalau kita tak ada niat nak cari benda
Akan
tu ada lah.
nampak. Ya.
Akan nampak lah. Kalau kita ada niat nak cari tu benda, kita tak akan nampak. So aku tak tahu kita punya niat macam mana ni, 50-50 eh?
50-50. Macam
Dia pun macam macam gitulah. So aku rasa
bulan.
okay,
Tahu.
kita
Bulan.
Asal?
Yo, that one was a bulan, bro.
I know, once I wake up, Mira tahu.
Okay, never mind. I think we
so basically all of us okay.
bulan.
Nah.
Okay. Because I don't know whether boleh dapat capture ke tak dekat. Oh sorry. Dekat kamera. Because all of us ada dengar lah. ada beduk lah. That's
Because
why
I was focusing
kita
on one point, so I already know.
So ni kita dah lepas night walk. Kita punya first ever night walk
Yes.
as a team.
Finally
Yeah, finally. Cause kita dah plan ni for like
Months.
months.
I would say months lah, months.
Yeah, months ago lah.
Months ago. Nak buat, dia tak buat, sekarang kita buat.
Okay,
Yeah.
we AR for just now night walk. For just now night walk.
Buat just now like what?
For just now punya night walk lah. So basically
I think my one, I think like I think I said in the previous where kita trip kan, me, you and
yeah.
so during back the signage where he say this is the signage Singapore Quarry,
Yeah.
250 meters.
Correct.
So when we walk further, then we turn back right, on the right side macam ada kelibat. Macam like I think it was a very fast it was a putih one lah, kelibat. Dia macam very fast. But at that time I was like macam aku punya mata main-main. So
Yeah.
mata main-main kan. So tak fikir apa lah. Then as we walk further, I realised all the random noise start to kick in already.
Correct.
Suddenly like every step we walk, we realise that the branch fall lah. Ada like someone is moving in the branch.
Yeah.
Just,
No, aku boleh realise that because kita tengah berbual. We are casually talking. Then got this one part where kita dah patah balik. Then kita punya communication dah macam off tau. Dah off gila. Cause aku ada dengar something juga. So that something aku tak tahu is either binatang atau orang atau tak tahulah kan. Cause the voice is very low.
oh yes.
Yeah, it's very low dia punya sound. Dia punya voice.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the thing I hear. That's the thing I hear too actually.
Yeah, so I don't know whether that one is animal or
I think we
something
assume
lah.
animal lah.
But for me I never see anything lah. Yeah. For Mirul dia ada nampak lah kelibat. So
Tapi I don't know whether my eyes playing trick ke tak lah. Maybe my eyes playing
and
trick
we
lah.
don't know whether dapat captured ke tak dekat kamera. So yeah. Zan?
Untuk aku tak ada apa-apa lah actually.
Macam apa?
Except the last time yang nak room kita nak keluar tadi.
Tu.
Oh,
I
okay.
heard something.
Yeah.
I don't know if I hear the same thing.
Okay,
as well.
aku belum mana naik. Okay, so what I heard just before we come down, right? What I heard is a long noise, macam long bunyi gitu. Macam dia bunyi macam macam very long.
Aku dah macam bunyi anjing.
Anjing.
Bunyi macam bunyi anjing.
But then it's very low tau and very pelan.
It's not that loud.
Not that loud. It's very pelan.
Sayur.
Sayur like that.
That's the thing that I heard actually.
Yeah.
So I think if the camera, kita tak ada kamera depan
Yeah.
I think kalau ada kamera depan, that time kita kamera depan ke
Just
belakang?
I was recording.
He was recording us.
He was recording. I think you maybe realise I keep looking at one spot. Because I think the noise came from there.
Yeah.
Until
the place that we came from.
So suddenly the suara tu macam makin macam suddenly makin kuat kan. At that one point macam so that's why I say bulan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can amplify the sound lah.
Yeah.
To see.
Hopefully can pick up lah the sound.
Okay, not only hopefully we can pick up the sound, hopefully we can pick up the sighting also lah.
Yeah.
Cause we go there, I mean 2 groups, we go 2 trips lah. So first trip was me and Miko. Then the second group was Zan lah.
The solo.
Yeah. No, not solo lah, but with my wife lah.
Solo
Yeah, so the Zan punya trip, my wife saw something lah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to share?
We
You wanna
didn't finish the turn also. Can after you bash through, then turn right,
Uh-huh.
the turn
Correct.
kanan. So we didn't finish the whole thing.
Oh, so you guys haven't go to the
Until
sign lah?
The tree that me and
Nurul check.
People check until somewhere there, and straight away she saw something.
Oh. I think what you saw? Huh? Oh, not now.
No, no.
So just now she told us that she saw something like how Miko saw lah. Yeah.
Not really, I think.
Not really ah. Oh damn. So it's extreme lah. So
It's
hopefully for that trip, Zan dapat captured lah.
I hope so.
Hopefully lah.
Hope so lah. Ya, Windu pun tak perasan je. Dia tengah
Yeah, but
recording.
then we never hope for anything lah.
We
But
do.
if we dapat that sighting, it's a bonus for us lah. Yeah.
That's all for today lah
That's all for today lah. So
kita kena cut short lah
Yeah.
Because like, we don't want something to happen lah.
yeah, maaf ya. Kalau apa-apa, can comment down below. Follow us TikTok, YouTube,
Spotify.
Instagram.
Whatever lah.
Tok Lu.
Thank you.